guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this look using just Maybelline products. I have been looking at the Maybelline New York Fashion Week looks and all of them are so beautiful, but I was especially inspired by the graphic liner looks that I saw on Gigi. Like, oh my god, look at this. Does she not look absolutely perfect? Look at this liner. Oh my god, look at this, you guys. There's a black one and a white one as well, but you can tell I was so inspired by this and I had to do like a recreation of this. So this is what I came up with and I'm so happy with how this look turned out. It's so classic yet futuristic yet edgy and it's everything. And I love that this look is super affordable. I've used all amazing Maybelline products. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So let's start. My skin is prepped and ready for makeup. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I am taking the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. You can also use the Fit Me. Both of these foundations are really nice. This one is good for oily combo skin and I'm using this one because the lasting power on this is amazing and it'll last throughout the night. I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. You're gonna make sure you go over your eyelid as well because we want a clean canvas. I'm gonna be doing a graphic liner, so I want it to look super neat. Now I'm gonna take one of my absolute favorite concealers, the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just gonna use this to conceal any darkness and I'm also gonna use this to highlight this area under the eyes. This is such a nice concealer. It has this beautiful medium to full coverage kind of finish and it blends really well. It just makes everything look perfect. Now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This powder is legendary. I am almost about to run out of it. I need to get a new one. I never want to be without it. It makes your skin just look flawless and poreless. I'm just gonna set the concealed areas with the powder, making sure to get under the eyes because I love that area to look super smooth. I just applied some lip balm because my lips were getting a little dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick and I'm just going to rub it on my hand, pick it up on my sponge and go ahead on my high points. You see that? I want that really beautiful soft lit from within kind of glow. I am going to intensify it later with highlighter, but I still want a nice glowy base to work with. And now that we have that down, I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. Can you tell I love this powder? It has lovely medium coverage. It feels super finely milled. It's affordable and it keeps me matte. Now your base is going to be locked in place. So I'm back, just did my eyebrows off camera and now I'm gonna do the amazing graphic liner that I saw on Gigi. Of course I'm going to be using my Maybelline gel liner for that.
So you kind of have to hold your breath when you're doing wing liner. That is why this is a voiceover. But I do recommend you rest your hand, you rest your elbow on a flat surface and give yourself some balance. And you want to dip into your gel liner and create short strokes. Don't try to draw one long line at a time. You want to be very, very patient because this can be a long process. So you want to make short strokes and you want to keep drawing and following. There are no rules. You can literally create any shape you want.
Okay, so this is what we are working with. I really like it. It's a very bold statement. It's like a graphic eyeliner. Now all I have to do is recreate this exact same thing on this eye. But but through the magic of editing, it's gonna be a few milliseconds for you. So let's do the other eye and be back. So both my eyes are done, and you can see this is what it looks like. It is such a statement. I love this futuristic graphic liner. Just gonna curl the lashes. And for mascara, I'm gonna use one of my absolute favorites, and after filming this video, I just realized how much I love so many Maybelline products. And you guys have heard me talking about them a lot of times. This mascara is so good. It separates all your lashes, volumizes them, and makes them look amazing. Now you can definitely leave it like that. I think it looks so pretty, but I feel like this look needs false lashes, so I'm just gonna pop my lashes on and be back. Okay, so the lashes are on. I decided to do lashes that are not like too fluffy because I don't want to hide all of this hard work that I've done. Now for some contour, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and taking the bronzer in here, I'm just gonna warm up the face and bring some dimension. That's it for this makeup look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, found it helpful, and learned something new. I thought it was super fun. It is such an edgy, futuristic makeup look. I love the graphic wing eyeliner. It's pretty much the star of the show, isn't it? And this lip is so comfortable, and I know it's gonna last super long because these Maybelline matte lipsticks last forever. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to know what you think of this look and what your favorite Maybelline product is. Can we talk about this glow? Oh my god, like this lip, the glow, the eyeliner, even the skin. I think everything looks so perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also check out my Instagram for more beauty videos and fashion related content as well, because I do all of that on Instagram. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.